Hey everybody, it's Kirk from Fat Boys to Men with another, well, I guess the first snack pack coming right at you. And there's something going on. There's a dictator out there that's trying to tell people how to act, how to dress, and how to look. I'm not talking about Kim Jong-un, I'm talking about Facebook. Dig on this shit. Did it pop up there? Anyway, they're trying to tell me that I can't promote my video just because of these bodacious curves. Tell me that ain't some shit. Tell me that's not the worst thing you've ever heard of. First, slavery happens, and now this. Why can't anybody get any damn justice in this world? That's a snack pack coming right at your face. Hope you enjoyed it.